A longtime battle over the proposed Mid-States Corridor project has now become a legal battle.
The Indiana Department of Transportation is suing over 100 property owners after they say they refuse to allow land surveyors to do their job. Eyewitness News' Cody Bailey has more from Du Bois County.
The land that I'm currently standing on has been in one Du Bois County family's name for well over a century. But if the state of Indiana has their way, it could belong to them.
To take this away from us is serious.
Huntingburg resident and owner of Ring Farms, Dave Ring, is one of 121 being sued by NDOT. The department claims residents unlawfully prevented land surveyors with the proposed Mid-States Corridor to access their property.
I mean, if they'd asked permission to get on your property, that would be a whole different thing, but they don't. Or they didn't.
The suit says Indiana law gives NDOT the authority to survey any property and claims residents refused to grant access after attempts to call, mail letters, and visit door to door. Attorney Russ Sipes is representing roughly half of the 70 individual properties and says if NDOT wants access to properties, they have to use the legal system.
In the end, we expect the surveyors to be able to get on the property. But this way they do it with a court order.
NDOT also claims surveyors feared for their safety and requested law enforcement to visit properties to inform owners of the law, but say residents refused to comply. The filing says residents are not entitled to interfere with NDOT.
To say we don't have to ask permission or we don't have, that fires people up. It changes the attitude of a lot of people.
Right now, there's just a lot of concern, a lot of anger, a lot of worry, and people thinking about what they thought was going to be their life and their legacy, now thinking that it's going to be a 4-lane highway that they can look at when they drive down it.
A 130-acre section of Ring's 3-generation farm falls right in the middle of the proposed corridor. For Ring and numerous other farmers, it's not about the family history, but the livelihood they have built.
This field right here is my plant. Like you have Jasper Engines has a plant, OSS has a plant, furniture plant. If you knock those plants down, you go somewhere else and you can build it. But this plant here, you cover with asphalt, it's gone forever.
We did also reach out to NDOT. They say that they will not comment on current, active, or pending litigation. You can read the full lawsuit on our website at tristatehomepage.com. Reporting in Du Bois County, Cody Bailey, Eyewitness News.